Welcome to RatePlug training for Wells Fargo Home Mortgage Consultants. RatePlug is a value-add program for your realtors found right in their multiple listing system. The next few slides will cover these features and benefits that RatePlug brings to both you and your agents. RatePlug is going to assist you in building and strengthening your realtor relations using three main tools: our multiple listing system displays, the alerts, and our property flyer program. Now that you've registered, you're going to have access to our system through rateplug.com/member. You'll enter using the user ID and password that you created at the time of registration. If you don't remember these credentials, you can contact us at info@rateplug.com for assistance. Your next step, now that you have registered for RatePlug, is to connect with your real estate agents. Agents learn about RatePlug through their multiple listing service or directly by you, the HMC. There's no cost for the agent to participate because we are a service of their MLS and they already have access to RatePlug. They just have to acknowledge that they want to be connected with you. There's nothing more for them to do. They don't have to go to any other website or download anything. They just conduct business as usual. Now, there's several ways that you can connect with your agents in our system. You can either use an agent enrollment form, use our automated email process, or you can connect with an entire office using our office affiliation form. To use the agent enrollment form, from your main page, you're going to follow the link that says RatePlug Marketing Tools. It will bring you to another window that you'll follow the link that says click here, and your agent enrollment form will appear. Now, this form will have your information already pre-printed on it. We recommend that you have your agents complete it, and then you take it back and send it back into RatePlug to get them set up with you. This usually takes no more than 24 hours once we receive it, either at info@rateplug.com, or you can fax it in at 630-848-1337. Maybe an easier way to enroll your agents is by using our automated email system. Again, from our main page, you're going to follow the link that says Show Add Agents, and you'll find a new window that has Invite another agent to your account. When you click on that link, you'll simply enter in the agent's name and email address, and they will get an invite sent by you to partner with you in our RatePlug system. On their end, they'll just need to accept that. We do recommend that if you have not heard back from these agents within 24 hours, to look at the status request and follow up with them to make sure that they did receive the email. Sometimes these might go into junk or spam folders. And the last way that you can connect with your agents is by doing an office affiliation. If you work within an office and the broker would like to have you connected to all the agents in that office, the broker just completes this form and sends it in to us, and RatePlug will set up every agent in that office to be affiliated with you. Now, why do agents want to partner with you in RatePlug? Let's go over some of those benefits. First and foremost, there's no cost for them to participate. They just have to acknowledge that they want to work with you. It's all set up then. We've found through our studies that agents who use RatePlug experience a 15% shorter time frame from list date to contract date. And we're completely FTC compliant for all agents. Not to mention that now that you're affiliated with them in their multiple listing service, on every property listing you're going to provide an interactive live mortgage tool so that consumers can see exactly what the payment's going to be on that particular property without going out to the internet and looking for more information. Because of that link, buyers now spend 3 to 5 minutes longer on each of those property listings. Now let's look at FTC compliance a little bit. We record everything that the agent shares with their consumers to keep them fully compliant by archiving every record and using the proper disclaimers within the RatePlug tool. Now, based on the National Association of Realtors statistics, we found that 87% of all home buyers utilize a realtor, and 90% of those home buyers require a mortgage. And 74% of those home buyers are influenced by that realtor as to which lender they're going to use. We know that agents are going to want to connect with you because they know that you're going to handle those consumers for their mortgage needs in a competent way. Now, as mentioned before, there's no extra work for your agent to participate in RatePlug. They just acknowledge that they want to work with you. There's nothing to download. Everything automatically works once they've acknowledged you, and it's 100% automated for them. Now let's review how the MLS displays work within the multiple listing service. Agents use their MLS to list properties as well as market properties to home buyers. Your agent's buyers receive property listings via email by their agents through the multiple listing service. This is where you're going to display. These home buyers will then have access to your contact information as well as your Wells Fargo website. When a property listing is sent out to the consumer, they'll either see a report as featured on the left or a link as featured on the right. When they open up that window, it will feature you as the agent's preferred lender. This is a completely interactive tool for the consumer to put in different purchase prices to see what the payment would be. This will also link out to your Wells Fargo approved website. The next feature that you're going to have access to is our auto alert. Now that you're connected with your real estate agent in their multiple listing system, we will be able to alert you anytime your agent lists a new property, posts an open house, or sold a property. I tend to think of these as calls to action. When you receive an email from RatePlug, such as a new listing alert, you can create a property flyer and reach out to your real estate agent. Talk to them about the buyers and sellers that you're working with. Those alerts are going to bring you to our third and final feature of our RatePlug system, the RatePlug Property Flyer program. Once we alert you that your agent is going to have an open house or they just listed a new property, from your main page you're going to follow the link that says Generate a Property Flyer. The next window will allow you to find your agent's listings by clicking on the link. That will open up a new window with all your agents' names. You'll highlight their name and hit submit. When you do that, all the properties that that agent have on the market will be featured there. You'll find the property that you want to create a flyer for and select property by clicking on it. Our system will then input your agent's MLS ID number, their name, and all the property information coming from the MLS. You'll then select what 3 products you want on the flyer and then follow the link that says click here to generate property flyer. Your color flyer will come up. All the compliance items are on there as required. All the information comes in from the MLS. When you go to create your flyer, you'll follow the link up at the top that says print or save this flyer in Adobe PDF file. When you go to print, you will want to note that the flyer is two-sided, so you'll want to print with 2 pages available. To create another flyer, you just follow the back button or the link that says generate a new property, and you can create as many flyers as you would like. This completes your RatePlug training. Please contact us if you have any additional questions and we'll get your account activated within 24 hours. Thanks so much for attending. Best wishes with the system.